have the OnePlus Watch 2, and I'll be showing you how to download music onto the watch for offline listening. So maybe when you're going for a jog or you're in the gym, you don't even need your phone close to you to be able to listen to music. You can listen to it straight from the watch. Now, unfortunately, if you're looking for a way to transfer music directly or MP3 files directly from the phone to the watch, I haven't found a way to do that yet, but we have apps like Spotify and YouTube Music that help you or that allow you to download music. So let me use Spotify for this particular example because Spotify is probably the most popular app for music. So if you launch Spotify and you sign in with your account, as long as you have a premium Spotify account, you can actually swipe and find playlists. So for instance, this is just a playlist I created. If you tap on that playlist, you can see there's this download option. And if you tap on it, it's going to ask allow Spotify to send you notifications. Tap on allow. And as you can see, the songs are getting downloaded onto the watch. Now, once the downloads are complete, as you can see, both songs have been downloaded. You can tell from these little green arrows, all the songs in that playlist, it only had 2, have been downloaded. And once you see this button turn green, it means all the songs in that particular playlist have been downloaded. So the only thing you need to do is organize all the music you want on your watch into a playlist on Spotify, and then access them through the Spotify app and download them. Now you can actually create a playlist using your phone and then access it with your watch. Might be a little bit easier. Anyway, once you do that, now as long as you have headphones connected, you can always come to this particular playlist, either choose any song or just tap on shuffle to play all the songs, or you can just tap on the play button and that's going to play them one by one directly from the watch. So as you can see, select a device. You can either play them from your phone, from this particular watch's speakers. Well, you can't play through the watch's speakers. You have to connect either headphones or earphones. These are Bluetooth headphones or earphones, and then use those to listen to music. And that is basically how to download music to your OnePlus Watch 2 for offline listening. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.